Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can renew driving license online on Florida. First open your web guys, browse and search for renew driving license Florida and click next and then visit this link, the FLHCSMV website, and the site you will find the screen instruction to renew your license and click over quick convenient way to renew your driver license or ID card online to my DMV portal. Florida offers as online convention renewal service customer every other renewal period. To do this, visit my DMV portal and to you see eligible and or not your drive license or ID card renew or replace credential. The online department must customer social security number, and if the department is unable to verify, the customer must follow up the Social Security Administration for list of fee to renew or replace credential. Visit the page using the MV portal should receive the credential and email with 2 or 3 weeks. Maybe a transaction customer can review email with confirmation to receive transaction on payment. Confirmation page must select enter your email address and send email confirmation for the information, and then click portal here, log into your portal and click link following, provide your email and password. I hope this video helpful guys. See you in another video soon.